We present you the Norco Fluid FS 2019 year. For the next generation Fluid full suspension, we started with a clean slate and set out to design our new favorite, no-compromise full suspension trail bike for hitting that perfect ribbon of single track, rolling that mossy slab, or popping that root to the next turn. nbsp, with its confidence-inspiring geometry, playful ride handling, incredible suspension feel and unmatched fun factor, the Fluid FS will take your trail riding experience to the next level.